Using not, any, no, and none. We use not any to say something doesn't exist or isn't true. There aren't any cars in the car park. Tracy and Jack don't have any children. You can have some coffee, but I don't want any. We use no plus noun, so it means the same as not any or not a. There are no cars in the car park. So it's the same thing as there aren't any cars. There are no cars. We have no coffee. It's a nice house, but there is no garden. We often use no after verbs like have, or there is, or there are. They don't have any children. They have no children. There isn't any sugar in your tea. There is no sugar in your tea. So this is a different structure. We can't say there is not sugar. We have to say no sugar. And if we bring the not, we need to bring the any as well. There is not any sugar or no sugar. None. None is used alone by itself. It means not any or zero. How many cars are in the car park? None. Zero cars. How much money do you have? None. No money. Were there any problems? No, none. No problems. None versus no one. So we know that none means zero things or people. No one or nobody means zero people. So none for quantity. How many people did you meet? None. And no one for identity. Who did you meet? No one. Nobody. So none is like how many, answer of how many, zero, and no one is like who. When asked who, we can say nobody. Now let's change the structure with no or any. We haven't got any money. So if we want to convert it to the no structure, then we have to say we've got no money or we have no money. There aren't any shops near here. There are no shops near here. Carla hasn't got any free time. Carla has got no free time. There isn't a light in this room. There is no light in this room. We've got no money. We haven't got any money. There is no milk in the fridge. There isn't any milk in the fridge. There are no buses today. There aren't any buses today. Tom has got no brothers or sisters. Tom hasn't got any brothers or sisters. There is no sugar in your coffee. My brother is married, but he hasn't got any children. Sue doesn't speak any foreign languages. I'm afraid there is no coffee. Would you like some tea? Look at those birds. Birds? Where? I can't see any birds. Do you know where Jessica is? No, I've got no idea. There aren't any pictures on the wall. The weather was cold, but there was no wind. I wanted to buy some oranges, but they didn't have any in the shop. Everything was correct. There were no mistakes. How much luggage have you got? None. How much luggage have you got? I haven't got any. Now we have some words: answer, difference, friends, furniture, heating, money, problems, questions, queue. Everything was okay. There were no problems. Jack and Emily would like to go on holiday, but they've got they've got no money. I'm not going to answer any questions. He's always alone. He's got no friends. There is no difference between these two machines. They're exactly the same. There wasn't any furniture in the room. It was completely empty. I tried to phone you yesterday, but there was no answer. The house is cold because there isn't any heating. There was no queue outside the cinema, so we didn't have to wait to get tickets. How many letters did you write yesterday? Two, a lot, none. We can answer anything we want. How many sisters have you got? Three. How much coffee did you drink yesterday? 2 cups. How many photographs have you taken today? None. How many legs has a snake got? None. So in today's video, we learned how to use no and then not any structure. And that's it for now. Thank you so much. Have a good one.